If you run an online store and want scroll-stopping ads that actually sell, listen up. Today I'm showing you how to make viral UGC-style AI ads using only stock media. No actors, no filming, so you can launch fast and get sales. Here's the exact 30-second ad template I use. Hook, problem, proof, offer, CTA. And yes, you can build the whole thing with AI voice and stock clips. Step 1. Pick the angle. Don't sell the product, sell the moment. Example, not a water bottle, but never forgetting to drink water at your desk. Write 3 angles, pain fix, glow up, time saver. Step 2, script it word for word. Use this structure, 0 to 3. Hook, call out the viewer and promise a quick win. 3 to 10, problem, plus a relatable line. 10 to 18, solution with rapid demo beats. 18 to 25, social proof, stat, review, or mini test. 25 to 30, offer and CTA. Keep sentences punchy, 5 to 7 words, to match subtitles. Step 3, voiceover. Generate a clear American voice, natural, slightly fast, excited. Aim for 1.1x for energy, smile in the read, it even helps AI. Step 4, stock media. Grab 6 to 10 clips that match each line literally. Hands, faces, close-ups, product stand-ins, lifestyle scenes. Think, pattern interrupts every 3 seconds. Use tight crops, quick zooms, jump cuts to keep it moving. Step 5, captions. Add word-by-word subtitles, big and bold. Highlight power words in your brand color. Place captions high so they avoid platform UI. Step 6, proof assets. Layer screenshots of reviews, a before/after, a 3-second mini demo. Use timers, check marks, day 7 text to imply progress. Step 7, offer and CTA. Stack a tiny irresistible deal, free shipping, 10% off, 30-day guarantee. CTA example, tap shop now, try it risk-free. Bonus, 3 hooks you can steal. POV, you keep forgetting to drink water. Until this. I wasted money on X until I found this $29 fix. If you work from home, watch this for 10 seconds. Editing checklist. Cut every 2 to 3 seconds. On-screen text every beat. Sound design. Whoosh for cuts. Soft pop for captions. Music upbeat. Duck under voice by -12 dB. Scaling fast. Turn one script into 5 by swapping the hook, the proof line, and the offer.